what is going on, everybody? Sorry about the delay. I'm just trying to figure out a couple things here. I haven't gone on lives yet with you from YouTube. Just stand by 1 second. All right. Well, the only way to get this going is just to kick it off. So, what a week! What a week! What a week! Dogecoin went wild. Dogecoin took off. There's been reports of Bitcoin scarcity, and someone actually did a video on who is Satoshi? Is Elon Musk Satoshi? Kind of wild. But if you want to see that video, you got to go over to their channel and check that out. However, I figured I'd mention it. It's kind of wild. But I'm going to screen share real quick. All right. So, first of all, Dogecoin. Dogecoin is sitting on CoinGecko at number 13. It's 4 cents. We were looking at a Dogecoin a couple days ago was under a penny at one point. Where was it? It was sitting at 2 cents for a bit. It's the 24-hour. This is what we need, the 7-day. So 0.008. I mean, right up until January 28th, which today's I don't know what day it is anymore. The 29th. You're talking yesterday, it was 0.007 at one point. It shot up to a penny at 11:08. I guess that's Eastern time, right? Anyway, 11:08 in the morning. I mean, does it matter at this point what time it was? Because we're all the way over here now. So a penny it shot up to, which it's been there before. All right. It shot all the way up to 4 cents. And then it hit 7 cents. And there are reports that I saw it at 9 cents at one point somewhere. But, if you check it out, it looks like we're creating some type of W curve here, pattern rather. I mean, how much lower is it going to go? We could, right here, you're looking at what, 0.038? Nice buying area? I don't know. You'd have to decide that one for yourself. It's your money, not mine. And this is not financial advice. Nothing in this video or on this channel or on cryptoquandary.net is financial advice, only, educational material. So maybe 0.03. I mean, you can see it yourself, wherever you think you see it, where you would see it. Also, I don't know, Dogecoin just took off like a bat out of a cave, did it not? So, moving on. If you do hold Dogecoin, good for you, smart move. Bitcoin scarcity. One day ago. Scarcity gives it value, rethinking the scarcity. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of the new stuff. Let's see what people are saying on the old Twitter. And again, you have to take everything with a grain of salt. But shout out to RL for mentioning this. So Coinbase has actually been, it says disabling purchasing certain types of cryptocurrency. So there was a report of Bitcoin not being able to purchase Bitcoin. Let's see what they have to say. So is it finally happening after 3-4 years? Is it finally happening? Are we seeing Bitcoin actually become very difficult to purchase, besides off of Robinhood or something like that, where you don't really own it? And no, you don't own it if you bought it through Robinhood. They hold it. All you've done is purchase it. You can write it up. You can sell it. You can make profits in that on USD. But you will never be able to, well, I can't say never, but as of right now, you will not be able to take your Bitcoin off of Robinhood and transfer it to an external wallet that you own. Keep that in mind. If you're looking to purchase Bitcoin for other reasons rather than gaining more fiat, and you want to hold something that is, has a set amount. There's a set amount of them. There's 21 million that'll ever be made. Then you're not going to want to buy it on Robinhood. I mean, you have to do your own research on that. But I can assure you that right now you cannot take your Bitcoin off of Robinhood and transfer it to a storage wallet, an offline storage wallet. Can't be done. You can almost see in real time the billions in the market cap move from Robinhood IPO to the Coinbase IPO. So that's another thing. Coinbase is launching their IPO shortly. I don't know if they have yet or not. So keep the live stream chat up here just in case anybody pops in and has questions. Actually, share this to Twitter real quick. Just bear with me 1 second. Yeah, this live stream isn't one that's, it was not planned. I'll be 100% honest. It was not planned. But there's a couple things that have to, it's a lot to talk about between Bitcoin, Dogecoin, crypto in general, Robinhood, all these other, it's so much. It's a lot. So that's another thing. And it does look like the chat is a little bit behind. The actual stream does look a little behind. Yeah, it's a little behind. So, yeah, that being said, let's see something. That's not going to push it out to anything. All right. Anyway, but yeah, so we had all these things, and what's been going on is so much. So Reddit actually was the one that basically what happened was all the little guys made money. There was what they call a short squeeze, and we're going to tweet that out right now. It's my website. So the short squeeze, what happened was a bunch of people had shorts in on GameStop and a couple of these other things. And, they said, oh, well, it's not going to be worth anything. And then what happened was a bunch of people got in and said, you know what, let's take it over. And everybody started buying, not Coinbase, GameStop, and it took off like a bat out of a cave. So now you have a situation where a lot of, we'll say, big players in the game lost a lot of money. Yet the little guy, people who had GameStop stock, took a look, opened their Robinhood, opened their Fidelity, opened their whatever app, and probably their jaw probably dropped, and they said, wow, it's really worth this much right now. So, I mean, that's really what happened. It took off. So, and then it transferred over to Dogecoin, and Dogecoin took off. So, a little bit of a different situation, but Dogecoin has taken off like crazy. Very happy for those who have Dogecoin right now. God bless. So, will there be a movie? Will there be a movie? The Short Squeeze? I guess we'll have to find out. Guess we'll have to find out. But I will say this: whoever made money, that's what's up. It's all about the normal people making money, because you have a situation now where it's you have all these wealthy people, and then like you always had the middle class, and then it's like there is no real middle class. Eventually, you'll just have the the Bitcoiners and the people who own fiat. I mean, that's what it's looking like. If you actually go head over on to, I don't know if anybody's gone on to Live Coin Watch. Shout out to LBRY for actually bringing me onto this Live Coin Watch. If you're watching, bro, shout out. Thank you. This is, it's by the minute, by the second. Usually everything moves. Right now, with what's going on with crypto, I wouldn't be surprised if this thing was frozen, but let's see. No, okay, it is moving. $35,000 Bitcoin, 1347 Ethereum, 1674 DOT, XRP is 28 cents, ADA is just about 35 cents, Link is $23, which Chainlink has went on a rampage recently, and I mean, you're looking at, it just went up. It just broke its all-time high at $20, and now we're sitting at 23. And again, $20, 23 is not its all-time high. It has been a little higher than that, as you can see on the chart. So, but I mean, recently, within the past couple weeks, it has taken off. So, but we are above that area that it had hit 20 months ago and then dropped back. And since then, obviously, we have broken over that $20 area. Now we're looking at Litecoin at $135. Litecoin was sitting at 30 for a while, long time. So shout out to all those Litecoin OG hodlers. Bitcoin Cash 407, and Bitcoin Cash has, I mean, transactions are fast on there. That's a great one to look into. Chainlink, definitely look into that. But we have Doge sitting at number 12. I mean, it's wild just to see the Doge. Do you know what the Doge is? Do you know what the logo is of the Doge? It's this little guy right here. I mean, come on. You're getting into crypto, you're new into crypto, you're looking to buy something, you see this cute little pup, you gonna buy a couple? Yeah, why not, And then one day it takes off. You got Uniswap sitting at $14.75. But as far as the whole Elon Musk thing, is he Satoshi? I do have to give all of that credit to who was it? What's his name on here? I'm completely blank right now. I feel horrible right now. It's Chico Crypto. It's totally blank. My God. Elon Musk created, 100% Izzy Satoshi. So go check that out if that's something that you're kind of interested in. It's not something that's 100%, but he does make some decent claims on it. Not claims, but he speaks about it pretty well. So it's one of those conspiracies. I guess it's like a conspiracy type thing. But if you're into that stuff, go check that out. It's pretty wild. I wouldn't put it past the guy. Smart guy. Sending rockets to the moon and everything else. So anyway, so we got Dogecoin. You got Bitcoin. Is Bitcoin becoming more scarce? As you can see, Twitter live time. We're looking at USD purchases are temporarily disabled on CB. Coinbase is out of Bitcoin. This is hilarious. Now, I don't know if this is true or not. So, and again, shout out to LBRY for bringing this to my attention. Always give credit where it's due, and that's literally, he mentioned it, and I was like, this is crazy. So anybody who's following me can check this out. They should know. Fully restored service. Issues now resolved. We apologize. So I don't know what is going on. I don't have Coinbase. I was deployed in Qatar and they kicked me off the platform when I moved back from Qatar to Guam, and then from Guam to the States and all this other stuff. So I don't know what's going on with them. As far as I'm concerned, I will not ever. I'd rather not. Just for that simple reason, there was no questions asked. It was just boom, boom, goodbye. I mean, okay, that's fine. I'm not saying anything negative about them. If you use Coinbase, great. I hope for everybody who uses Coinbase, it works out and they stay up. But they always have an issue. It seems they always have an issue when things are volatile. So I don't know. Again, I'm not saying I don't want to put anything negative on them. Coinbase was great while I had them. It was great. It was super easy to use. You had your own wallet. You could send crypto on and off and on it, buy it, purchase it, send it off. You could take crypto, put it on there. You could do whatever you wanted to do with it. So, again, nothing negative on them. Maybe I'm just a little salty. But that's fine. I mean, there's so many exchanges out there. It's ridiculous, though. I mean, you have LBRY, Voyager, Crypto.com, Edge Wallet, Monarch Wallet. There's so many different ways to buy cryptocurrency. It's insane. If your buddy has a certain crypto and you want it, and you have Bitcoin and you want Chainlink, and you can, hey, send me 10 Chainlink. I'll send you a little bit of Bitcoin. Okay. It's so, there's so many ways nowadays. So it's like, whatever. Anyhow, I will announce that I will be putting out the second version of, I should say the special edition to Grasping Bitcoin with Ease, the special edition NFT. I'll be putting that out. Sometime this weekend, I'll put it out. There's only going to be 10 available. There's 10 available. Mint number one is saved aside for somebody who deserves it. If you want mint number one, you're going to have to get with that person. And if you follow me on Twitter, eventually you'll know who it is that will have mint number one. That's all I could say about that. Every other copy will be I will put it up on sale. It's not going to be, an astronomical price because I do want to get the information out there for people who are either new to crypto, or if you're in crypto and you know somebody that isn't in crypto yet and they're confused about it or whatever. Hopefully it can help them a little bit. So, it's not going to be like crazy expensive. There's no reason for that at all. I got into the space to help people, who didn't understand, because I know when I got in it, I had people that helped me out, and I still talk to them. They're like family. Hashtag crypto fam. But it's not something that is trying to help people out. We all do need to make a living, so there's that too. But it's never trying to bang people for a ton of money on things. That's absolutely ridiculous. I didn't get into Bitcoin for that. I got into Bitcoin to get away from that. So with that being said, the release of the special edition Grasping Bitcoin with Ease with art done by Love is the Answer will be up sometime this weekend. We'll say that. I will launch it on Twitter with hashtag NFT special edition NFT book launch. And also big shout out to Wax and Atomic Hub. I was actually just put on there and verified. Big shout out to Ken Bozak. Thank you for everything you do and you have done for the entire community that does follow you and is in your Telegram. If you guys are not in his Telegram and you do want to be in there, it's t.me / / Ken Bozak or Kenneth Bozak, one of the two. I could tell you right now if you give me a second. The only thing that he ever asks is that everybody just behave. Behave. That's it. Behave. It's t.me / Ken Bozak, double N's, 2 N's. So there's that. But yeah, big shout out to the bro on that. So just to finish up, we had Dogecoin took a run, bat out of the cave. You got Bitcoin. Is it becoming more scarce? Is Coinbase having troubles getting it? Will it become more scarce? Of course, because only a certain amount of Bitcoin can be put out, because there's a certain amount mined. And then, if I was a miner and I was mining them and I knew the value that Bitcoin had long term and I didn't want to sell it, let's just say, for an example, that I was the only one that was mining it, and they were out there, whatever. Like, it doesn't make sense. Put it this way. All your miners, if nobody wants to sell that's mining it, then they have it. Then once the exchanges run dry, they're dry. You can't get them anywhere unless people are selling it, and they want US dollars for it, or a different type of cryptocurrency, and they want to sell it through the exchange. Because like I said earlier, they could just do peer-to-peer and say, hey, I want some Link, I want some Dogecoin, I want this, that, whatever. And two people can just swap. Okay, here's my wallet. Okay, here's my wallet. Done. It's done. No exchange needed. But are exchanges running out of Bitcoin? Are they? I guess we'll find out. That will create scarcity, and with that, it's just going to be harder and harder to get Bitcoin. So I'm not saying it's going to shoot the price up. I'm not saying it's going to make the price go down. Why would it go down? But I'm also not saying it's going to make the price go up. I'll leave that to you to decide. What do you think? But if all the Bitcoin are mined, which that's not happening until 2140 or whatever year it is. None of us will. Hopefully we're around. That'd be pretty cool. But I don't know. But once all the Bitcoin are mined, we're up to date mining. There's only a certain amount that can be mined per day. So take that into account. If people don't want to sell them and put them on exchanges for fiat or anything else, or their country's currency, there's that. So we'll see. So Dogecoin took a run, Bitcoin scarcity, and Elon Musk. You have to go check out Chico Crypto for that one because there's a lot to get into on that. But yeah, I don't know. I hope everybody has a wonderful day and enjoys 2021 for what it is. Enjoy it. Live your life. Live your best life. Be happy. Smile. Hold the door for somebody. Do something nice. If you're having a bad day in the morning, take a deep breath. Go get a cup of coffee. Chill out for a minute. You got a lot of things going on and you need a break and busy. Tell life to take a break. I know people are going to laugh. Oh, tell life to take a break. Yeah. Go outside. If nature's what helps you relax, go ahead. Go outside. Enjoy it. Don't look into the sun, but look at the clouds in the sky, whatever it is. Go to the freaking lake. Do something that clears your mind. Don't just try to deal with it because been there. It ain't all it's cracked up to be. Oh, you gotta deal with it. No, take a break. Pump the brakes a minute. Take a minute for yourself because you're important. But anyways, it'll be interesting to see what the rest of the year brings. Rest of the year, the rest of the month, all of February, March, April, May, June, August, September, October, November, and December. Let's see where we're at by the end of the year. So everybody have a great day. Shout out to Hunting the Dead for making making my intro song. It's fire. Thanks, Jody. I appreciate you, bro. And yeah, if anybody needs anything, go to cryptoquandary.net. And I just added a new page on there for all the NFT collection on Atomic Hub that I have going on. And like I said, the special edition book drop will be this weekend sometime. Follow on Twitter at CryptoQuandary, and there will be a book drop. It'll probably be anywhere from, since it's special edition, it'll probably be 100 wax. But mint number one, that if you want it, you will have to get with the person who has it. And if you follow on Twitter, you will find out who has it. You'll know at some point. We'll say that. So everybody have a wonderful, what are we, Friday? Everybody have a wonderful weekend, a great rest of your week / Friday. And remember, buy low, sell high, and don't FOMO and don't listen to any FUD. Always do your research. Do your freaking research. You know what I mean? You got to do your research. Do it. You got to. And if anybody has questions and needs help with the research, let me know. Hit me up.